everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see here, I have got a couple more Madam Glam gel polishes to show you. I have been sent these for a review from Madam Glam, so thank you so much. I'm really excited to try these out today. They have sent me 3 colours previously, as well as the base coat and top coat, and I absolutely loved them. They were amazing. So I'm very excited to check these ones out today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch them all on swatch sticks first, and then I'm going to get all 6 of my Madam Glam polishes and I'm going to do a design with them and see what fun design we can come up with, because I've got some really beautiful colours here. They're so bright, they're so pretty, and they are really nice gel polishes to work with. So I'm going to dive into the video. We're going to quickly swatch the 3 of them, see what they're like matte and glossy, and then we'll do a fun little nail art design with them. So I hope you all enjoy. If you do, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's crack on and dive into the video. So I'm going to start off with this one here, which is an orange. This is called Sunset in Hawaii. They have sent me another orange previously, which is called Kiss on the Cheek. I will link the video up here and in my description box if you'd like to watch it. They're really beautiful colours that they sent me, so I know these ones will be too. The bottles are really nice as well. They're massive bottles. They're 15ml bottles. They are absolutely humongous. And they are the nicest quality gel polishes. They are a little bit more high end, but they're worth it. They are so nice. So this is Sunset in Hawaii. I think I might have had a little mini hair on my swatch stick then. It happens so often. They really are such nice gel polishes. So they have a beautiful formula. They are vegan friendly, they're cruelty free, they are HEMA free. They're like the best formula really you can get for a gel polish. That is Sunset in Hawaii. It's beautiful. Next up we have got this gorgeous looking green. It's called Limoncello. I don't know if that's Spanish, because in Spain they refer to a lemon as a limon. I might be wrong there though. I might be completely and utterly wrong, but this looks, oh yeah, beautiful. They are such fun colours for the summer as well. They really are. I really adore Madam Glam polishes. Like, I couldn't believe that I've been sent these. Like, I feel very lucky. And I couldn't be more grateful for the opportunity, because these are just so beautiful. Okay, and then we have got this blue, which is called Vitamin C. So I love with these bottles as well the fact they have got a cute little name, because not a lot of gel polish companies actually go out of their way to name their gel polish. So I love the little names, and you also get your really nice sort of like little swatch button thing up here as well, which again is a rare thing to see with gel polish companies. So let's see what this one's like. Oh, that's gorgeous blue. Such a gorgeous blue. There we go. It's stunning. Okay, so there we go. That is the 3 colours all swatched. I have given them a coat of glossy top coat, and as you can see on the bottom there, I have given them a coat of matte top coat. But look at them. They are just so nice. They're beautiful gel polishes to work with. I really do love them, and I can't fault them at all. They cure absolutely beautifully. The formula is great. The brushes are great. Absolutely everything. You can't fault them. You really cannot fault them. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a nail art design. I have no clue what I'm going to do yet. But I'm going to get out my Madam Glam polishes, and yeah, let's have a play and see what I can come up with. Okay, so I have grabbed my 3 other colours that I have got from Madam Glam, and I'm going to try and do a design. Okay, so I've whacked some extra long tips on my silicone hand. I'm now just going to go in and give them a coat of the Madam Glam base coat. Okay, so that is them all base coated. I don't have a nude for Madame Glam, unfortunately, so I'm just going to use this one from Model 1's lipstick collection. Okay, so I've given them 2 coats of that colour. I'm now going to use Madame Glam top coat, and I'm going to give them all a layer of top coat, and then I'm going to buff off the shine and get ready to paint with some colours. Okay, so there we go, I have done that. I decided to paint the ring finger after all because I've just completely and utterly changed my mind on the design. I think I'm just going to do like a wavy sort of design. It's been quite popular lately. I've already done a couple of sets with like sort of wavy lines. But I really like it, and I feel like it'd look really nice with these colours. So I have put a little dab of each of my Madame Glam colours onto my palette. And yeah, I'm just going to paint some wavy lines. You guys will see. I'm going to speed through it. I'm not going to waffle too much. I'm just going to speed it up a bit just so it's not too long. But yeah, I hope you'll enjoy. Okay, so I've done that. I've added some rhinestones on. And I don't know how I feel about it. I don't like that nail. I feel like these 3 are okay, but I hate that nail. But we're going with it anyway because it's taking me so long. But yeah, I'm just going to go and give them a good generous coat of the Madame Glam top coat. And then I'll be back. Okay, so that is the design all finished. I don't think I like it. I don't know. It's a bit wacky. I don't think I'd wear it on my own personal nails. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I just don't like this nail. I feel like those other ones are okay, but this nail I'm not keen on. But these gel polishes are really nice anyway. I really love working with them, and I think they're truly beautiful. I've got a lovely little selection of colours here, and I couldn't be more thankful to Madame Glam for sending them to me. Each bottle is $19.95 each, but with a VIP membership you can get 50% off. which is absolutely incredible. They're well worth it. They are a bit more high end, but like the top quality ingredients, formula, and they're just really top quality to work with as well, so definitely worth every penny. I do have a discount code with Madam Glam, which is SammyJo30 for 30% off as well. That code is in the description box for all of my videos if you'd like to use it. But yeah, otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe. And other than that, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!